In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master advanced invoice customization in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a polished, professional invoice template that fits your brand and captures the details you care about most. Let's start by getting to the right place inside QuickBooks Online. Look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the small gear icon. This opens your main settings menu. Under the section labeled Your Company, select Custom Form Styles. This is where all of your invoice templates live. From here, you can either start fresh or build on something you already have. To create a new one, open the New Style dropdown and choose Invoice. If you'd rather tweak an existing design, just click on the name of that template to open it for editing. Once you're in the editor, you'll see three main tabs: Design, Content, and Email. We'll walk through each one. In the Design tab, you control the overall look and feel. This is where you upload or change your logo, adjust the color scheme to match your brand, and select the font style and size. Take a moment to experiment until the invoice looks consistent with your other customer-facing materials. Next, move to the Content tab. This is where you control what information appears on the invoice itself. If you're editing an existing template, click Edit next to the template you want to modify, then use the Design tab as needed and come back to Content. Here, you can add custom fields for things like a sales representative name, tracking number, project code, or any other detail that matters to your workflow. Click Edit next to the section you want to adjust, then add or modify fields as needed. You can also use toggles to show or hide standard fields such as shipping address, invoice date, or payment terms, so the invoice only displays what's truly relevant. The Email tab lets you customize what your customers see in their inbox. Here, you can rewrite the subject line and body text of the email that goes out with your invoice. Consider adding a friendly greeting, a clear call to action to pay, and any important notes about payment methods or timing. For even more control, you can create custom fields that are reusable across forms. Click the gear icon again and choose Custom Fields. Then click New Custom Field. Give it a clear name like Sales Rep. Choose which forms it should appear on, such as invoices, and decide whether customers should see this field on the final form. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. When your invoice template looks the way you want, click Done to save it. The next time you create a new invoice, look for the Customization or Design drop-down near the top of the form. From there, select your custom template. Your invoices will now use all the design choices and advanced fields you just set up.